This is my 2024 Honda Transalp 750, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I paid for it. Okay, I've marked out all the information that probably neither I nor the dealership want shared. Let's just go through it line by line. So, first off, the retail price, $10,199. It's supposed to be $99.99. I asked the salesman and he said that is some kind of privilege fee or something that Honda adds on. I'm not sure about that, or if it costs more for the one with the Metzler tires versus the Dunlop tires or what. But the MSRP of my bike was not $99.99 like it's supposed to be. Supposedly on the website, that's what it says. It was $10,199, so there was $200 added on. Okay, so that's the dealer unit price. This dealer charges for freight and prep. So $495 for freight. That is the cost of shipping the bike to the dealership. And $400 for dealer prep, which is then putting the bike together and all of that. These are about the only fees you can usually negotiate on when you buy a new motorcycle. And even then, it's pretty hard. I didn't even try, because I was just so stoked to find a bike and the price was reasonable enough for me, because you know you're going to pay over MSRP, that I just said, okay, I'm ready, I'll come get it. But if you're going to try and negotiate on a brand new bike, this is about the only place you're going to find that wiggle room. So with the dealer freight and setup and the retail price, that brings us to $11,094. That's the cost of the actual bike. I had no trade-in. I thought it was 0.5%, but it looks like it's closer to 1%. Privilege tax, that's our sales tax. We don't have a sales tax. Just this privilege tax that actually goes to subsidize electric vehicles and electric vehicle infrastructure, and I'm not really interested in your political opinions on that particular topic. Here in Oregon, you have to register a new motorcycle for 4 years, so $289.50 for that. Document or administration fee, I think that's a tacked on fee by the dealership. I don't know why it would cost them $150 to send things to the DMV for free. So again, this is kind of the stuff that they sneak in for you. This is the other charges column. All of that adds up to $537.13, meaning my total out the door price, including sales tax, title, and license, was $11,631.13. As dealership deals go, I did not feel bad about that. If you can get in for about $1,000 to $1,500 over MSRP, that's pretty standard. Like I said, if you wanted to fight hard on a bike that there's a lot of stock of, you could maybe get that down to $1,000 over MSRP. Some of the stuff's not negotiable. They have to pay DMV, right? These fees sometimes you can negotiate down on a bike that there's a lot of stock of, but this is a brand new bike that's in high demand. I knew they weren't going to budge on that. I didn't bother. I was just so excited that they had one in that I told them I would take it for this price. I know Ian, Big Rock Moto, paid more than this. Things cost more in California, so that makes sense. And I know there are dealerships that on a high demand bike like this will add in what they call ADM, additional dealer markup. So I know these are going for $12,000 and $13,000 in places. So I felt pretty good about $11,631.13. I'm excited to have the bike in my garage. So make sure you check out the new bike day video if you haven't yet. We actually bought 2 Transalp 750s today. So my friend Grace got one as well. It was a great experience. It's a fun video. And make sure that you subscribe for more Transalp 750 content, because I'm going to make a ton here over the next few weeks. And I'm the dork on the road. I want to be your internet riding buddy, and I'm better than your regular riding buddies because I come with the mute button, so please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this content, this information, and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.
Excellent!